Hi, let's start by looking at what happens when Calisto is executed on an unprotected Mac. The installer presents a fake Intego antivirus application. Notice that in our system preferences, all sharing options are currently off. Opening the application bundle invokes a request for the user to enter an admin password. The spinning beach ball is a sign that the malware is actually beginning to execute its code. The user is then presented with an alert saying that the installation has failed. But by now, malware is installed. Relaunching system preferences, we see that now remote login preferences are enabled, allowing the attacker to access and control the victim's machine at any time. The malware also installs a launch agent that points to a malicious application installed in the system's core services folder. And here it is. Finally, Calisto creates an invisible folder to store the user's data for exfiltration. This includes the user login name and password, keychains, and network profile. Now let's see what happens on a different machine that is protected by SentinelOne. Here we can see in the SentinelOne dashboard that none of our endpoints are infected. The machine is currently clean, but let's go get some malware. Immediately that we try to unarchive the downloaded malware, SentinelOne alerts the user. And the dashboard now informs the network administrator of the threat on the endpoint. Let's ignore the warning for now and continue trying to install the malware. This time, the alert is shown and the execution is blocked. A wealth of further details are available from within the SentinelOne Management Console. Thanks for watching.